Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start current affairs capsule, daily current affairs, September, day 27. Recently, who has been appointed as the next Air Force Chief of India? हाल ही में किसे भारत के अगले वायुसेना प्रमुख के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया? नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज अमरप्रीत सिंह. Air Marshal Amarpreet Singh has been appointed as the next Chief of Indian Air Force and he is succeeding Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Okay, so Amarpreet Singh has been appointed as the next Air Force Chief of India. Recently, which Union Minister has launched the White Revolution 2.0? हाल ही में किस केंद्रीय मंत्री ने White Revolution 2.0 को लॉन्च किया? So, answer is Amit Shah. Union Minister Amit Shah has unveiled White Revolution 2.0. It is a comprehensive initiative aimed at empowering women farmers and creating job opportunities under White Revolution 2.0. The government aims to increase milk procurement by dairy cooperative society by 50% and over next 5 years. Okay, and Amit Shah also launched the Rupee Kishan credit card for the dairy farmers. Okay, so Union Minister Amit Shah has launched the White Revolution 2.0. Recently, boxer Nikhat Zarin has been appointed DSP in which state's police? हाल ही में बॉक्सर निखत जरीन को DSP के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया किस राज्य में? सो नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इज तेलंगाना. Telangana government has appointed boxer and two-time world boxing champion Nikhat Zarin as a DSP and she won gold medal at the Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games. Okay, so Nikhat Zarin has been appointed DSP in Telangana State's Police. Recently, which state won the most award at the 4th ग्लोबल रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी इन्वेस्टर मीट? हाल ही में 4th ग्लोबल रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी इन्वेस्टर मीट में कौन से राज्य ने सबसे अधिक पुरस्कार जीते? सो नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इज गुजरात. ओके, एट द 4th ग्लोबल रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी इन्वेस्टर मीट गुजरात स्टूड आउट बाय विनिंग द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ अवार्ड एंड शोकेसिंग इट्स लीडरशिप इन रिन्यूएबल energy and wind power capacity. Okay, so name of the state is Gujarat. Gujarat won the most award at the 4th global renewable energy investor meet. Recently, who has led the 2024 clean the beach campaign? हाल ही में 2024 स्वच्छ समुद्र तट अभियान के नेतृत्व किसने दिया? So name of the person is भूपेंद्र यादव. The Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Bhupendra Yadav, led the country in this year and Clean the Beach campaign on the occasion of the International Coastal Cleanup Day on 21st September 2024. Okay, and the Clean the Beach campaign was launched first time on 5th June 2018 on the occasion of World Environment Day. Okay, so Bhupendra Yadav has led the 2024 Clean the Beach campaign. Recently, Kumar Tuhin has been appointed as the ambassador of India to which country? हाल ही में कुमार तुहिन को भारत के राजदूत के रूप में किस देश के लिए नियुक्त किया गया? So, name of the country is Netherlands. Okay, Kumar Tuhin appointed as the next ambassador of India to the Netherlands. Recently, which state became the India's third to pass the Property Damage Recovery Act? Okay, हाल ही में प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज रिकवरी एक्ट को पारित करने के लिए कौन सा राज्य भारत का तीसरा राज्य बन गया? सो नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इज उत्तराखंड. ओके, उत्तराखंड गवर्नमेंट हैज रिसेंटली implemented the historic property damage act and Haryana government passed a similar bill in 2021. Okay, so name of the state is Uttarakhand, become the India's third to pass a property damage recovery act. Recently, who has been elected as the president of the National Rifle Association of India, that is NRAI? हाल ही में नेशनल राइफल एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया के अध्यक्ष के रूप में किसे चुना गया? सो नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज कलिकेश सिंह देव. ओके, कलिकेश सिंह देव हैज बीन इलेक्टेड एज द न्यू प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द नेशनल राइफल एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज NRAI, and National Rifle Association of India was founded on 17 April 1951. Okay. World Rhino Day is observed every year on which date? World Rhino Day हर साल किस तारीख पर मनाया जाता है? So date is 22nd September. World Rhino Day is observed globally on 22nd September every year to raise awareness about the ecological importance of rhino globally, and World Rhino Day was first announced by the WWF South Africa in 2010. ओके, सो 22 सितंबर को वर्ल्ड राइनो डे ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है. रिसेंटली हु बिकम द 10th इंडियन बॉलर टू टेक 400 इंटरनेशनल विकेट्स? हाल ही में 400 अंतरराष्ट्रीय विकेट लेने के लिए 10वीं भारतीय गेंदबाज कौन बन गया? नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज जसप्रीत बुमराह. ओके, इंडियन फर्स्ट बॉलर स्पीयरहेड जसप्रीत बुमराह बिकम द 6th इंडियन and the first bowler and the 10th overall to claim the 400 wickets in international cricket matches, and he has played 196 international matches. So Jasprit Bumrah become the 10th Indian bowler to take 400 international wickets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Science Express. Thank you.